So let's see how to install the Miui 12.5 21.5.28 update on Poco X2. I'm currently on the Durfest OS. So to install the Miui 12.5, just download the one file. I'll show you. As you can see, just download the one file. That is this one. Get info. As you can see, the Miui 12.5 21.5.28 and download the PBRP, that is page block recovery. Now just reboot to recovery. Advanced and recovery. I am currently on the orange box recovery, so just install the PBRP, that is the page block recovery. Just click on it and swipe. And volume up. As you can see, it's installed. Now go back and reboot to recovery. As you can see, we are rebooted. Now just wipe, advanced wipe, select Dalvik, data and cache and just wipe it. Now go back, go to tools, select code name changer. Our device is Phone XN, that is Phone X India, that is the Poco X2 India, but this ROM is for Redmi K30, that is Phone X. So change the code name to Phone X and tick mark and swipe. As you can see, it's changed. Now go back, now go to install and select the Miui file and just swipe to flash. As you can see, it's flashing. The flashing may take time, so I'll fast forward the video. As you can see, the ROM is installed. Now go back, go to wipe, format data and type yes and click on OK. After format data, just reboot system. As you can see, the boot logo is changed to Redmi. As you can see, the Miui boot logo. First boot may take time, so I'll fast forward the video.
"2,000 years later."
As you can see, the boot logo. As you can see, we are rebooted. Now just hit the process. So I will meet after the setup is done. As you can see, the setup is done. Now just swipe up. As you can see, we are rebooted. So I just go to settings and my device. As you can see, the Miui version is Miui 12.5 21.5.28 beta. So this is how you install the Miui 12.5 21.5.28 on Poco X2. Thank you so much for watching. I'll meet you in the next one.
What just happened?